everybody, so this video is for the summary of lesson number 23, introducing yourself. And the main objective of this lesson is to learn introducing others with their family, friends and etc. formally and informally. So this lesson starts by guiding the students to practice Duolingo. And when the students are practicing the Duolingo, you are going to have a conversation with them and ask these three questions. The first question is, what did you eat for breakfast today? The second question is, what is your routine for tomorrow? And the third question is, how do you spend your weekends? Once the student have completed the Duolingo and you have done conversation with all of them, you are going to ask them to come back to the semicircle. And then you are going to share an anecdote related to introducing others to a group of people. Then you are going to ask two questions from them. The first question is, what are some things to keep in mind while introducing others to a group of people? And the second question is, why do you think it is important to introduce people to each other? After that, you are going to make them understand the importance of introducing others. Moving forward, you are going to play an activity and the name of the activity will be juggling the ball. And here you can start by asking the students what's the meaning of juggling. Then you are going to instruct the students to stand in a circle. And then you will take 3 balls with yourself, red, green and blue. And you will show by juggling the ball. Once any ball falls down on the ground, you are going to share a sentence. Imagine if red ball falls first, then you are going to tell your name and something that you like. Second, if green balls fall down first, then you are going to share the name of one of your FEA classmates and their hobby. And if blue ball falls first, then you are going to compare yourself with an object. Make sure you give example by juggling the ball first and then go around the circle. There is no natural ending for this game. Once everybody has completed, you may ask the students to get back to their seats. And then you are going to instruct them to watch a video. Once they have watched the video, they are going to discuss it with their partner that what is the audio about. And once they have discussed, you are going to ask them to share with the whole class that what they have discussed, what was the audio about. After the discussion of the video, you are going to ask them to recall introducing others with their boss, friend, etc. So once they have recalled, you are going to ask them to come on the stage and show the demonstration that how to introduce themselves and others with their friends and boss and etc. After that, you are going to assign some scenarios and some topics to the group of students. You are going to make groups and then you are going to assign the topic. Make sure everybody understands the topic and prepare their role play well. Once they have prepared the role play, you are going to ask them to present it on the stage. Acknowledge their efforts and correct wherever required. Moving forward, you are going to introduce the word colleague and you ask them to pronounce it also and you tell them the meaning along with examples that my colleague was late today. And then you are going to ask the students to make a sentence using the word colleague. Moving forward, you are going to recap yesterday's vocab also, that will be who, interviewer and interviewee. So you are going to ask the question, who is an interviewer and who is an interviewee? Make sure you correct the students if they have misunderstood the word interviewer and interviewee. Moving forward, you are going to instruct them to do the typing practice and they will follow the same odd and even sequence. One pair will type the odd one and the another pair will type the even one. Thank you so much.